What physical characteristics define intersex individuals?
Hello, and welcome to our informative video. Today, we're going to tackle an important, yet often misunderstood topic, intersexuality. By the end of this video, you should have a clearer understanding of what physical characteristics may define intersex individuals. Remember, every intersex person is unique, and their physical traits can vary significantly.
What does intersex mean?
Intersex is a term used to describe a variety of physical conditions in which an individual's reproductive or sexual anatomy doesn't fit the typical definitions of female or male. This means that their physical characteristics don't align with the binary notion of male or female bodies. It's important to note that intersex is about biological characteristics and not about gender identity or sexual orientation.
What physical characteristics define intersex individuals?
Intersex traits can manifest in many ways. For some, it may be evident at birth with visible differences in genitalia, while for others, it might only become apparent at puberty or when trying to conceive a child. Here are some physical characteristics that can define intersex individuals. 1. Atypical external genitalia. This might involve a penis that is smaller than typical, a clitoris that is larger than typical, or genitalia that is somewhere in between the usual male and female types. 2. Mosaicism. This occurs when some cells in the body have XX chromosomes and others have XY. This could lead to physical traits that are a mix of typically male and female characteristics. 3. Internal sex organs that don't match external sex organs. For example, someone might have ovaries and a uterus, but their external genitalia appears male. 4. Unexpected results on chromosomal tests. Individuals might have an atypical combination of sex chromosomes like XXY, XYY, or others. Remember, these are just a few examples, and the variation among intersex individuals can be vast.
How common is intersexuality?
Intersex traits are more common than many people realize. Roughly 1 in 2,000 individuals is born with noticeably atypical genitalia. However, many intersex traits aren't apparent until later in life. When considering all forms of conditions that could fall under the intersex umbrella, some researchers estimate that the incidence might be as high as 1 in 100 births. Intersex individuals are a diverse group, encompassing a wide array of physical characteristics. Understanding these variations allows us to challenge the binary way in which we often perceive sex. It's crucial to recognize and respect the natural biological diversity that exists in our species. We hope this video helped you to better understand the physical characteristics that can define intersex individuals. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.